late na naman ako as usual. And sa pagpasok, they'll give you this passport. And you'll go through the booth. Siyempre, present mo yung passport. And then you get something. And then meron silang mga Instagram contest and some freebies kung ano ng mga activities. It's so fun here. So, tingnan natin.
I hope you're enjoying now your sumptuous lunch. And at the same time, getting to know the brand Catty Doll as you go through the roadmap. Has everyone enjoyed the day? Yes. And before we start the program, I would like to call in my co-host for the day. Okay. She is a professional makeup artist and the beautiful person behind the blog, Ask Me What's That Wow. So guys, help me welcome the gorgeous, no other than Miss Nikki Chu.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Thank you so much for coming, darling. Thank you for the wonderful introduction that I personally written. Buti na lang binasa niya. Anyway, welcome Catty Doll Philippines. Thank you so much for coming and thank you for braving traffic.
How's your experience with Catty Doll?
Okay, I may not have gone through the roadmap like you guys did earlier, but 2 to 3 months ago, I was able to meet up with the people who brought in Catty Doll Philippines. So, bragging aside, I was able to try a lot of Catty Doll products, and all I have to say is 3-letter word. Wow! 3 words. Wow na wow. Okay, so I really love the products, and I'm so happy that I get to try all these. At the same time, my problem lang, just a little problem, is that I was trying so hard to keep my mouth shut. You know, beauty blogger problem. Hashtag, beauty blogger struggles. Alam niyo yan. Mr. Lawrence Lansley.
A pleasant afternoon to our guests, especially from Carmark, Mr. Wong Wiwat, Mr. Pong Wiwat, and Ms. Natamon. Our trade partners, print media, bloggers, and friends. Welcome to this event. In behalf of Livestrong and Carmark, we would like to extend a warm welcome to you all. I know you have your busy schedules, your commitment, but you came here, and I extend my heartfelt thanks for that. I hope you enjoyed the program that we did. You will get to try out the products. I hope that you truly discover what we found in this beautiful brand. This is only the beginning. There are more to come. Again, welcome and hope you enjoy the event. Thank you.
Livestrong Marketing Inc. started since 2008 and is the brainchild of me and my husband, Mr. Lansley. As a licensed pharmacist, and I used to work as a former business development manager, and my husband as a former creative director, it was our desire to start a business that not only suits the needs, but also the interests of the Philippine market.
Initially, we started out as a drug distributor. After that, we ventured into cosmetics, particularly for the Filipino women. As you have noticed, Filipinos love to pamper themselves.
May raffle.
Again, it's 517-16098.
Yung first is 517-16098.
Calling for 517-16098. Okay, we have a winner.
Calling for the car with plate number 51.
Saying when we will come to Philippines. So here we are, right now, with the collaborations and your support with Live that Catty Doll will be a
Reach ko pa naman. Reach ko naman pala. So far. Kasi mga girl. It's Anna. Si Anna. Hi, girl. Nakakaloka pag sabi na yung sa aming program. Sinabibideo ka na. Book number 4. Papabaliktad kasi ako. Ang gagawin lang, mag-flat ka ng face. Oh my God, ang gross. And then, sige pa.
Let's check it namin on your combination skin ka, ma'am.
Yeah. Magpa-flat ka lang.
For you, ma'am, plain red rice for
Thank you so much. Nag-flat lang ako ng EE, tapos may price pa ako. Di ba, bongga?
Ay, baka na lang namin
Yung passport, kailangan tatakan yung passport kasi baka dumoble ako. Thank you, girls. Lipat na ako sa iba. Hi! Booth number 1. Ano namang meron here? Mag-i-spin lang ako. Sige. Okay. So, twice ako mag-i-spin. Okay. Mag-i-spin daw ako. Wait lang. Meron na akong snail. Oh my God. Hana Zakari. Geisha Hana Zakari yung first. One more? One more down. Yung ano? Okay. Papa, para sa iba naman. Oh my God, bro, fancy! Yung lip matte. So, ito yung sexy brow. Ayan yung shades.
Yes, ma'am. Wala na po kami ng white.
Okay, so ito yung nakuha ko sa booth 1. Yung Geisha Hana Zakari lip matte nila. And then, sexy brow pencil. And then, okay. May tatak na yung passport ko. Thank you! Ha? Pick one. Yung mapipili ko, yun yung price ko. O sige, lalagay ko lang dito. Pili tayo! Ito. Wow, may powder pack ko. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayun yung passport ko. So, ito yung nakuha ko. Powder pack. Yay! Thank you so much! Kakalabas lang namin sa Emerald ABC Hall and uuwi na kami. And with Bea and Anna. Hi! Yes! Hindi alam ni Bea ibig sabihin ng Gora. Sabi ko sa Gora nyo, sabi niya ano daw yun. Sorry! Sure!
Ganyan sa bundok ko.
Oh, ay, anong bundok mo? Mount Everest?
Chocolate.
Bahol naman pala. Okay. We're going home now. And so awesome. Ang dami naming products na nakuha. Papakita ko sa inyo yun in a separate video. Bye!